Okay, we're going to take a brief look at the password feature for Manage Karma 4.6. You'll see here that there's a new password box once you've chosen a user. Every user is going to start without a password at all. So if you put in a password and click OK, it will say invalid password. So I'm going to clear this guy's password out and then say you logged in with a blank password, which it will allow once, and then you need to set a password. So I'll set one in. The only requirement so far is that the password be at least 6 letters long. And of course that the confirmation must match and other things like that. So we'll click that, and now the user's logged in. Seeing as how they're part of the administrators group, this users button will show up, and that lets this user, or any user with this feature enabled, bring up the user managers box. So here's a list of all the accounts we have in the system. If you click any row, you'll see down here the name and email and an opportunity to reset their password to a blank password. So they'll go through the same routine as before, where they log in again with a blank password. Also, there are checkboxes here for whether or not they're an administrator, which gives you all the privileges. Managing users, which lets you see this box. See, accounting is what we're going to use for certain accounting reports. And Manage Stripe is getting into things like running refunds. So now I'm going to show you how to add a new user. You just click the new button. As you'll see, these fields get blank. So we go test user, testing junk. Now right now this email address isn't tied to anything, so you can put in whatever you want, but and the plan is in the future we're going to start using this. So I'm going to set this person as just manage users and click save, and this user will be created successfully. Now once again they're going to have no password, so we're going to log out of here. First we'll show you that's this person here. I can add is admin and hit save. And we'll go back. And there they are. Same thing. Okay, so I'm going to hit close here and log out, and then we'll log in as that user. So we'll scroll down here, go to test user. Same thing, I'll leave the password blank. Hit OK. I have to set a new password. Hit save. Password's changed. And they can come in here and do the same thing. Now, just for kicks, I'm going to reset Kevin's password to blank. Hit OK. And close. And we'll log out and log back in. So I'm going to log in as Kevin with a blank password again. We'll set the password again. And finally, I'm going to delete this test user here. Delete, confirm, and they're gone. So that's how you add and delete people, and that's pretty much all there is to it.